The Sterling Risk and Margin Monitor allows a user to load a set of positions as well as start of day balances and import them into the system for ad hoc analysis. For example, this is a file of both option positions and stock positions in our standard format. This file has 4 columns: account, account name, symbol, and for the symbol we use straight equity symbol for equity positions, and our own symbology for options, which includes a dot in front, the root, a 6-letter date, P for put or C for call, and the strike in thousands. So 33,000 means a strike of 33. The 4th column is the position, which is the number of contracts for an option or number of shares for a stock. Similarly, if you create a CSV file with balances, simply make sure it has 2 columns. The first column is the account code, and the second column is the start of day equity. Once you have these files saved, you can now load them directly into the system for analysis. To do so, go to File, Import. First, let's load the positions file. If you click or check the Persist box, the system will save the positions into the database, if these accounts exist in the database. If you are just analyzing some ad hoc accounts that do not exist in your database, or they are not real accounts, then do not click Persist. If the accounts do exist in your database, and you click or check the Persist box, the system will temporarily save these new positions in those accounts. Next, let's upload the equity file. And as you can see, it uploaded the start of day equity for those accounts. Now you can go to any one of the risk or margin screens and look at the risk of these portfolios. They will all update immediately. As you can see, for each of the accounts, it shows all the P&Ls, the market values, exposure numbers, as well as the risk shock values. You can see all the various risk factors that exist in the system for those portfolios. Additionally, you can drill down and see all the risk by symbol and by the underlying position. All the standard functionality is available for the position you just loaded. Similarly, you can see the expected margin requirement. Now you can see the calculated PM requirement or Reg T requirement for these accounts, including all of the details. As you can see, this allows you to easily upload a portfolio of positions within minutes for risk analysis. Every single functionality of the system is available for the positions just uploaded, including Risk Explorer, where you can look at the risk for the entire portfolio or any given symbol, as well as VAR numbers. Very quickly, you can analyze a potential client portfolio or a set of new positions that you are looking to possibly trade. In addition, you have the ability to do a simulated position. A simulated position allows you to enter a simulated trade or a set of simulated trades into an account and see what the impact is on the risk. For example, let's say we are looking at these portfolios, and for STT3, the risk is quite high. If you drill down to look further, you can see there is a significant amount of downside risk, and a lot of it is coming from the symbol SPY. Let's see what would happen if we added some positions and how would the risk change. On the Simulated Positions page, let's look at account STT3. You can add some positions using the Simulated Positions functionality. Select account STT3 and then add in the positions. Let's say you want to hedge it by adding a SPY option expiring July 23rd, 2021 with a strike of 400. Then you can enter a put and buy 300 contracts. Once entered, and you can enter as many rows as you want, simply click Update Positions. It will complete the recalculation, and now, when you go back to the Risk Shocks page, you will see it highlighted in orange. This means there is a simulated position, and when you click the down arrow, you will see that the risk has changed. Now, the risk numbers have reduced because the added long put position on SPY, and now you can see what the impact is on the risk numbers. Similarly, you can see the impact by also looking at the Risk Explorer, and you can see that this is what the risk looks like with your new position added. Simulated positions give you the ability to do a what-if trade on any portfolio and immediately see the impact on the risk and on the margin, etc. To remove a simulated position, select the account. The simulated position that you have entered will be visible below. Simply click on the Remove icon and then click on Update Positions, and now your portfolio is back to normal. Thanks for watching.